Take a look at what's happening as I'm examining this wind deposited snow right here at these convexities as I move over them. We can see the wind slabs easily crack. As I was approaching this wind drift, I experienced some woofing and then some cracks. And we can see the slab formation from the wind, which in this area is about between 4 to 6 inches deep. When we're looking for evidence of wind transported snow and wind slab formation, this is a great observation you can make. Right over on this side, we have a scoured slope, very shallow snowpack, rock exposed vegetation. And as you move over to the lee side here, we can see a very large cornice is formed, probably 6 or 7 feet tall. We can see ripples in the snow. And as we move over here into the terrain where wind has transported snow, we can see shallower areas in the snowpack. And over here, we can see wind slab formation. So this is what we're trying to look out for when the concern of the day is wind slab. We're looking at a west-northwest aspect at about 5,600 feet here at Blewett Pass. And what we can see is a very heavily wind-loaded slope with lots of wind slab formation within it. Very tempting, beautiful terrain, but it's clearly wind-loaded. Very dangerous. We can see ripples in the snow here indicating the direction of the wind. So we move a little further. We can see cross-loading occurring, and if we look, we see scoured areas and in between patches of wind slab. Shallow areas in the snowpack, such as trees and rocks, can be trigger points for these wind slabs. I'm at about 5,800 feet. As I was moving up here through the terrain, I just experienced a very large woof collapse in the snowpack. So, good sign to turn around. So we were just looking at this, and as I was moving through the terrain, I experienced a woof. And I come back over to this slope, and we have a natural avalanche wind slab release just below some trees. We're looking at about a 4 to 6 foot crown with wind slab down to the bed surface. You can see it triggered in shallower areas of the snowpack where the trees are. Well, because of the slide that occurred up there, I decided to take a look at the snowpack in a safer place. And what I've noticed down here is we're getting failure in the upper 110 centimeters of snow is failing on a faceted layer, 2 to 3 millimeters. Sudden collapse, clean shears. I'd like to just summarize today's observations. As I was moving up through the terrain, I was able to easily see evidence of wind slab, even in the trees. And then I moved up into near tree line here. And as I was traveling over here, near the scoured rocks and cross-loading, right up in here, I experienced a woof. And at the same time, up higher in the terrain, is where we have a wind slab that released. So I hope this is a good example on how to make observations along the way and incorporate them into your travel plan. I'm Tom Curtis with the Northwest Avalanche Center. Make sure to make observations along the way and choose terrain that's appropriate based on the concern of the day.